And despite the darkness and the pressure, these vents are anything but lifeless. First, they're coated in these bacterial mats that feed on chemical energy instead of sunlight, creating the foundation for a food chain that's built on methane. You'll also find giant flatworms, crustaceans, and vent-loving fish thriving in the cold. These vents are also what helps circulate oxygen throughout the lake. You combine geothermal circulation plus near freezing waters, which slows decay, plus deep convective mixing, you get an oxygenated abyss. And then you give it a couple million years and you end up with an ecosystem that's unlike any other on Earth. I think my favorite might be the transparent Golemyunka, which is a cannibalistic oily fish that makes up 70% of the fish mass in the entire lake. But then there's the 350 species of amphipod that live here. Just for comparison, usually a lake might have one or two. We've also experienced gigantism here, so these scavenging little cuties can be the size of a rat. They're the main food source for the Baikal Nirpa, which is one of the world's only freshwater seals. They're a species that's lived here for over 2 million years, but scientists can't really explain how they got here in the first place. All of this to say that this thriving ecosystem is actually the reason that you might not want to die here. If your body sank into Lake Baikal, it wouldn't bloat and float like it would in a warm freshwater lake. It also wouldn't be preserved like in other cold lakes that are lacking oxygen. Instead, as you descend to the abyss, there are a lot of things that would like to eat you. Probably not the Nirpa, but instead thousands upon thousands of amphipods. These little guys could clean you down to the bone in just 48 hours. So while we're not sure if this is what the mafia did with their victims, it might actually be a smart way to dispose of a body. 9 out of 10 spookies.